Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI avatar in CapCut PC. If you want to make your own AI avatar that talks, moves, and looks realistic, all inside CapCut PC, here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create a talking AI avatar video using CapCut's AI Lab or CapCut AI dialogue scene feature. So this will be perfect for YouTube faceless videos, reels, or presentations. You can start by opening the CapCut project like this, and you'll see under the import media option there will be this option AI avatar. So if you have no media, you can create with this AI avatar tools. So just click on it. And in here, CapCut will show you AI avatar options. There are lots of AI avatar made by CapCut. Like for example, this one, Rania, Sophia, Dante. So you can choose from this. But if you want to create it from scratch, you can click on this button, create. Here you can create with video, create your AI avatar with a 10-second video, or you can also create with photo. Let's say I'm going to just create with photo. Click on that option. Click on allow. Now choose the photo that you want to make moves. For example, in here I'm going to go with this one. You can hit on open. And CapCut will generating the image first, and the AI avatar will be created. As you guys can see, it's still uploading. Now it's creating. You can just wait for the process. So the avatar has been uploaded. You can just here download it first and tap on next. Now you can enter the script. So enter what you want the AI avatar to read. For example, I'm going to just write, "Hi, this is me, an AI avatar that just been made." Okay, you can now choose the voice from here. For example, I'm going to go, there are lots of options for the voice. Let's say this one, kind storyteller.
Hi, this is me, an AI avatar that just have been made.
Or this one, let's try storyteller female.
Hi, this is me, an AI avatar that just have been made.
Let's try Miss Olabibi.
Hi, this is me, an AI avatar that just have been made.
Okay, I'm going to use this one. Now you can just tap on generate, and CapCut will generating the speech and make the picture move according to the speech. So I just wait again. The speech is generated, but it's still applying to the avatar. So let's just wait until it's fully finished. Okay, so it's finished. Let's see the result.
Hi, this is me, an AI avatar that just have been made.
As you guys can see, now the photo move according to the script that I write. So you can now just export this as a video.
Hi.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.